So hello guys, in this video I will explain the virtual IP concept in FortiGate firewall. We will understand what a VIP is, why it is required, how traffic flow using VIP, and where it is used in real networks. A virtual IP, also called VIP, is a NAT mechanism in FortiGate that maps a public IP address to a private internal address. In simple terms, VIP allows external users to access internal servers using a public IP. So in live screen you can see that there is I have total this 192.168.100.1 100.1 or 21 22 80. So I have total three servers. Okay, so I want to access it from the outside the network. Suppose a user is sitting at home and that users want to access that servers to from the home network. So VIP comes here. So suppose in the FortiGate firewall what exact configuration I need. So just you need to go to the policy and object, and in the policy and object you can see virtual IP option. So just you need to click on the create new. So just give the name server 1. Suppose you have one server, and interface will be you can select any or you can select your WAN interface. So in the external IP you can type here your public IP. So here you can need this public IP 172.20.121 dot. So I will type here 172.21 dot, sorry, 20.121 20.121.67. So this is my external, that is my public IP address, and this I need to map to the this my internal server IP, that is 192.168.100.1. So I will type here 192.168.100.1. So after that, suppose if you want to, if I press OK, so I will get to access via HTTP. So there is the optional filter is there, port forwarding there. So port forwarding is important part. So internal servers usually have private IP addresses which are not reachable from the internet. So VIP solve these problems, you know that. So in this diagram, internet users access a public IP. The public IP is configured as a VIP on FortiGate. You can see on the live screen. So here you can see there is a three ports, that is 21, 22, 80. So total I will, you can type many to many or one to one also. So many to many, the external port will be my 21 and map to IPv4 port, that is 21. So via outside you can set another port also as per your requirement. So in this here you can set your source address also, services also you can type here. And suppose you have many to many, so you can type here TCP, UDP, ICMP. So this is the option. So how here is how traffic flow with VIP and external users traffic to a public IP means, first of all, so FortiGate checks VIP configuration. So the destination IP is translated to the internal server IP. This traffic is allowed by a firewall policy. The internal server sends a response. FortiGate translates the source IP back to the public IP. VIP is a destination NAT used for incoming traffic. SNAT is source NAT using for outgoing traffic. So VIP incoming connection, SNAT outgoing connection. So FortiGate supports different types of VIP, that is static NAT VIP, port forwarding VIP, IP pool VIP, FQDN VIP. So to configure VIP, you can see this is the basic configuration, and once done, this policy for this means server you need to create the new policy, and in the destination will be your this VIP. So this is the basic VIP configurations you need in the FortiGate firewall. So common issues what you will face: missing WAN to LAN policy, wrong interface selected in VIP, ISP blocking the port, no static route to internal server, server firewall blocking traffic or from the firewall server is not reachable. So at that time you need to troubleshoot like this. So this is how the virtual IP concepts works in FortiGate firewall. VIP allows secure and control access to internal resources from external network. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you want to a real-time demo with packet flow and troubleshooting.